Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn off notifications in Microsoft Bing on Android. How to turn off notifications in Microsoft Bing on Android. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Microsoft Bing app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Microsoft Bing app. Next, tap the Google icon at the top right of the screen. And a scrolling down menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Tap Permissions. Tap Manage Notifications. Tap Allow Notifications. So that's it, this tutorial on how to turn off notifications in Microsoft Bing on Android. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.